Hiccups. Annoying, right? But what are they? It all starts with your diaphragm, the muscle that controls your breathing. When it gets irritated from eating too fast or drinking fizzy drinks, it can spasm. That spasm forces you to suck in air, and your vocal cords snap shut unexpectedly. That's the hic sound. So, how do you stop them? Forget holding your breath until you're blue. The goal is to reset the nerve signal. Try slowly sipping a glass of cold water or pulling your knees to your chest to gently compress your diaphragm. It's all about breaking that spasm cycle. Subscribe for more.